Okay, so here we are. We're providing facial services for clients who are still in their houses. They can't really go out to a public venue just yet. But in the state of Maryland, DC, or Virginia, well, DC is not a state, but they're just now slowly opening. But I still go to people's houses. So this is what I do. Okay, Adrian, I'm coming. Hold on. I'm on my way. Oh, there he goes. Tyler. Oh yeah. I forgot how nice your apartment is. Very nice. I like the light. Man, Andrea, I like your hair.
You know why I did it? I did it when I couldn't sleep last night because you and Star looked so distraught when y'all saw me with my natural hair color. Y'all made me feel so ugly.
No, I said
y'all was just, both of y'all was just like, damn, like, wow.
Are you saying bleed? And I'm doing it too.
Turn to the left a little bit. Let's keep on going. Perfect.
Pyro, get away.
Right here.
Oh, I'm telling your mom.
What do you do? You still got that makeup on? I only did it for the class.
Tell me about it, cause I've always honestly wanted to get into makeup. I'm not gonna disturb you.
Oh, no, you good.
Sorry.
No, you can talk. It's okay.
But how was it? Cause I wanna say I do makeup, but I need to do better work on my like eyeshadow and stuff like that. I'm not good with foundation at all.
I mean, it was good. We were just doing the basics. But I still have to get more stuff because I don't have everything.
What kind of stuff do you have?
Like, I have like the foundation, concealer, powder.
Do you like colors?
Yeah, but I just do like the natural. I never really.
Never tried different colors?
Mm-mm.
I got a palette I never opened yet. I'll bring that over for you. You got a bunch of different colors on you. I think you'll like it.
Alright.
Especially with your skin color. Colors come out more. On mine, it's like I gotta pick and choose.
This is so cool.
Shaving your hairy lip.
Yep.
We're almost there.
Telling your mom. Tell her.
Uh-oh.
No! No!
Instead of saying no, why don't you clean it up? You know why you can't have crumbs on the couch.
Mm.
You know why.
Oh! No!
You don't have to tell yourself.
No, but you guys are doing good with your mom. I know your mom's a handful sometimes, but whose parent isn't?
I mean, I feel like she's special.
Yeah, we all have them. Trust me. My mom, she was special in her way, was the belt.
It's hard to get close to her because I don't want to get close to her because she's so.
Yeah, no, I understand. It's a volatile situation, and even I see it, Like,
She wonders why I don't tell her stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Or not. She was telling me the other day, oh, we should be like 2 peas in a pot. Well, that's your fault, but we're not.
Parents. And like some people shouldn't be parents. I know we love our mom and dad, but
Like her. Oh, uh-huh.
and it's also that she had you guys super young. You know what I mean? She's a young mom, like just like my mom. My mom should have never had us that early, but our father tricked her into, oh, I love you.
Wait, how old was she?
Had my brother at 17.
Oh.
Yeah, still in high school. Hmm.
Mom was 24 when she had me.
Okay, and that's still, trust me.
But my grandmother, she was 14 when she found out she was pregnant. With my dad.
Yeah, it happens, trust me. Like the old school, yeah, they had kids super early. Even white, black, it didn't matter the age or color. Yeah, some people had kids early in the days. If you look at like the Game of Thrones times, the show on HBO, they were having sex with their own kinfolk, you know what I mean? Like their own
What's that?
brothers and daughters, or their own sisters having sex with their
That's
brother.
weird.
It was weird. And so that was like natural back in those days. Like seriously, it was natural for the king to have like a 13-year-old wife. Like what? But that was the days, right? It was like as long as you were past 13, or at least womanhood, like 12, going through, just yeah, you were actually somebody's wife super early. And even on HBO with the Game of Thrones series, they do show you like, yeah, this woman, she was already like the princess of her little village or whatever, only because her family members were dying off because of the plague or a cold. Sort of like what we're going through right now. So they had their viruses back in the day. It was just common colds though, or plague. And she became a princess at like 12 years old. Unheard of, but back in those days, that was normal to rule a kingdom at 12 years old. Can you imagine? Let's say you ruled the whole Maryland.
That'd be fun, but that's
You would
too much
think
work.
it is, and right in the show it shows that she went through a lot of hell and high water to, help her people. Like it was a huge burden. She had to respond to fights. She had to respond to beheadings. She had to wait a minute, I got to kill somebody today. Yeah,
But she's a princess, doesn't she choose?
Yeah. But some things is out of your power, even if you are a princess or king or president or whatever. Some things are just out of your control, and it sucks to have that job. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not.
Did your mom curse you out though? Did your mom curse you out?
You said push me out?
No, did she curse you out?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Well, I mean, not bad. When she was pissed, she did. Yeah. I should
Wow,
say
Arma
that.
was.
Yeah, not just to do it, but she did it just because I was in trouble.
Because she doesn't just do it.
Right, I didn't have, right, thank God.
I'm going to win, Tyler.
Because then I would have thought it was cool to curse both times. So I think my mom only cursed at us. And
So if I curse, it's her fault.
there you go.
Because I do, but I mean, it's still her fault.
And as long as you're using it in a respectful way where you're not aiming it at her or just being disrespectful to the family, then you're okay. Okay. Because, yeah, we couldn't curse around my mom. Even to this day, I don't curse around my mom. No, thank you. Just because I'm still fearful. Like, man. Even though I'm older, it's just like, I don't. She's instilled that.